Hello, my name is Harold. This is Tech on Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to install Optifine Minecraft 1.19. Alright, now first off, you gotta have a copy of Minecraft installed. And as I speak, it looks like my Minecraft installation has just completed. I mean, fully updated, fully working. Go in here, everything looks pretty basic. We're seeing everything looks pretty good, so that should be enough to go ahead and get Optifine going. What I've figured out from Optifine is that people tend to use it for increasing their frame rate and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to show you how to install it real quick. As usual, since I've actually done this a couple of times, the first thing we're going to need to do is make sure we have a copy of Java installed. I already have Java installed, but for the heck of it, I'm going to reinstall it because it never hurts to update. So start by going to java.com. Let's go ahead and download Java. Let's give that a second. Download Java again. Let that download. All right, so as I said, I've already got a copy of Minecraft already installed. I've got no other mods or anything on it. That will work out perfect. Next, I'm going to download Java. So Java's downloading. Let's let that go through. And then let's also go ahead and get the latest copy of Optifine, which they just re-released like a new one that we've got to grab because they're literally for the last month there's been a problem with the there was an update in Minecraft and it just wasn't working. It was kind of a problem, but now we've got the new version. I expect there to be no problems with this installation. So I'm going to go ahead and left click on the mirror here, and I'm going to go ahead and left click on download. Let's go ahead and give that about 30 to 50 seconds, and I'll check back in with you. All right, it looks like the downloads are done. Of course, here I've got like 3 versions of Java Runtime, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and left click on Java Runtime first. Additionally, if you don't have it or if you're not sure where it downloaded, most of the time, regardless of the browser you're using, it's just going to put it in the downloads folder. So here's Optifine and here's Java, and we got to install Java first so that we can install Optifine. So that's what this is here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just click install. This will overwrite the previous installation and update it if you have an older version. So we'll give that just a second to go. Actually, I've been waiting for this update for a little while. I had to create a backdoor way for the last month to install Optifine because it just wasn't working with this 1.19.2 update from Minecraft. But now that they've got this, I fully expect this not to be a problem. So let's go over here. We're going to go that now. We've got Java installed. Now we can do something we couldn't do before. We're going to right click on Optifine. We're going to open with, and it's going to show us a new way to open this app for using the Java platform SE binary or Java runtime environment. So I can check that box. I'm not going to, but I do want to select to make sure Java is okay. I'm going to click OK. That's going to open up the Java installer, and then it looks like everything is good. You, generally speaking, don't have to change anything in here unless you did some sort of setting change or something. So I'm going to go ahead and just left click and install, or left click on install, and get this done. Optifine is successfully installed. That did not work previously, but I'm glad to see it looks like they've got it fixed and it is working now. All right, let's go into the Minecraft installation. Let's verify and make sure it's working. Give that a second. Now, funny story is, I just downloaded and did all the updates for everything on this, but funny thing happens after you install it, stuff like that. It almost always seems like there's always another update. So let me give that a minute, and then we'll check back in a second here. All right, it looks like the update that it was doing has finished. We're going to let it load into the installation. I'm going to show you real quick how to select and activate Optifine, as well as verify that it's working once you've loaded into a world. So we're going to go ahead and close that. We're going to go ahead and select here. As you can see, Optifine is currently installed into the installation. So we're going to launch the Optifine version and then click play. I understand. Yes, I do understand the issues that can come with using mods and other stuff like that. Yep, all of that looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and click play. We're going to load in. Let's verify that it's working inside the video settings. In fact, actually, what I'll do is I'll check to see if they got shaders and stuff working too. I know that's been a That's been an ongoing thing that we've been waiting for. Of course, since somebody sent me a message saying that there was a way to kind of enable shadows and stuff like that, so maybe it isn't as important as what I thought it would be. But yeah, let's see what we got here with this. Now I've got a new survival world, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a separate world for this particular mod, just in case there's. Well, no, let's just create a new world. All right, let's give that a couple of seconds. We'll check back in with it, and we'll go in and make sure everything's working on Optifine. All right, looks like that has finished. We are successfully loaded in. Let's go ahead and drop into options, video settings, and shaders. Oh, no, still no shaders. But that's okay. We have a bunch of new options and stuff like that. And actually looking over there, you can see that, yep, Optifine Ultra is running, and that is it. We are good to go. That should improve frame rates and stuff like that for the people who need it. And yeah, it looks absolutely fantastic. All right, guys. Last but not least, if you want to buy me a coffee or support the channel, look in the comments below. You can also additionally request a video or leave a comment in case you have like a request for something you want to see, you have a comment about the video or something like that. Barring all of that, have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you on the next one.